today we're making paoshi, aka hot bun. We're going to pour the flour into the strainer and then shake it.
All-purpose flour, 4 cups, 32 ounces. Ounces of warm water.
We're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar into the water. 1 more. 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix it well. Stir until it dissolves in the water.
Pour the water in the flour. We are going to add 1 egg.
The dough until it's not sticky.
The dough is smooth, cover it with wrap paper. Leave at room temperature for 30 minutes or 1 hour.
We're going to cut the sausage. We're going to put the sausage into the pan.
On the stove until all the water is dry, and then when you see the fat evaporate, you know you're done. Starts boiling, stir. Pour the water. The fat came out. Now we're done. Hot steamed buns. Ingredients are boiled eggs,
Sausage,
chicken,
and pork.
we have some celery, onions, green onions, and garlic,
Salt.
oyster sauce, and black pepper.
Sweet sesame oil and sweet soy sauce.
Let's chop the meat. Half of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 egg white. It's time to stir. When the dough is swelling after 4 to 5 minutes, you know it's done. We already made it. It's time to steam.
Now it's time to put the steamer in the steam pot. The lid on.
When the water is boiling, steam for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, close the stove and leave it for 5 minutes. I'm going to dip my pausi inside the sweet chili sauce.